Hi Gravitrax fans, this is Chris from the Masked Marble. Gravitrax, what's Gravitrax? I don't know what Gravitrax is. Well, that's the problem. A lot of people here in America don't know what Gravitrax is. So to raise awareness, on June 30th, 2022, I am going to have a drawing to give away this marble run set to someone who lives in the US of A. That was kind of a rhyme, wasn't it? This is a Gravitrax Obstacle Starter Set that retails for almost $130 on Amazon.com. Let's see what it has in it. It has lots of cool bundled extensions like this trampoline. Ooh, a Zipline. Transfers. What? It's got bridges and spirals. Ooh, and there's a magnetic cannon. That's a lot of cool stuff for building a marble run. You're probably not interested in entering the drawing. Tell you what, if no one enters the drawing, I'll just keep it myself. Yeah, nothing to see here. You're not interested. I mean, come on. Boring. Now, I've noticed that Gravitrax is very popular in Europe, but not so much here in the United States, where it's still unknown. People are unfamiliar with it. So what is Gravitrax? It is a marble run system by Ravensburger that you can put together a lot like Legos. It's very modular. It's based on a hexagon system, and you can put together rails and tiles and height tiles to make any configuration of marble run that you would like. Normally you have to buy a starter set of some sort, and then there are all kinds of extensions, spirals, scoops, all kinds of action tiles that you can add on to the system. I am going to give away to a resident in the United States of America a obstacle starter set. The Gravitrax Obstacle Set is a basic starter set with all the basic components, plus 5 bundled extensions that give you more fun, more action. This is a really great starter set. Here's how you can enter. 1, you must be a resident of the United States of America. I am only going to ship to US addresses. 2, you must be subscribed to my channel on the date of the drawing, which is June 30th, 2022. And 3, you must leave a comment in the comments below this video telling me why you like Gravitrax. And that's it. Tell your friends, let other people know about this drawing, send them a link to this video, and have them sign up to win a free Gravitrax Marble Run set. I'm going to do that drawing on June 30th, 2022.